विज्ञान के 10 अद्भुत तथ्य जो आपका दिमाग हिला देंगे। नमस्ते दोस्तों। What if I told you that the universe you live in is stranger than any Bollywood blockbuster you've ever seen? That your body right now is performing feats more amazing than any superhero? Over the next 10 minutes, we're going to explore 10 mind-blowing scientific truths that will change how you see everything. Fasten your seatbelts, get ready for some cosmic chills because things are about to get seriously mind-blowing.
Look up at the night sky. See those twinkling stars? They're ancient cosmic kitchens. And guess what they cooked up? You. Every atom in your body came from stars that exploded billions of years ago. We are literally made of stardust. That feeling of awe? It's the universe looking back at itself through you.
You know how in those old Bollywood movies, the hero puts his ear to the ground to hear approaching horses? Well, what if I told you the Earth itself is humming a tune? Scientists call it the Earth's hum, a faint, constant vibration that permeates our planet. It's not earthquakes, it's not traffic, it's something else entirely. Imagine a giant bell that never stops ringing, a deep, resonant sound that's always there, but too low for our ears to pick up. Scientists are still trying to figure out exactly what causes it, but the leading theory is that it's the combined effect of ocean waves, wind, and even the movement of Earth's tectonic plates, all blending together into this cosmic symphony. Speaking of invisible forces, get ready for the next one because it's happening inside you right now.
Ever feel like your brain is fried after a long day? Well, get this. That fried feeling is actually a sign of incredible power. Your brain right now is generating enough electricity to power a light bulb. This mushy organ inside your head is a bona fide electrical powerhouse. Scientists estimate that the average human brain generates about 20 watts of power, enough to light up a small LED bulb. Imagine if we could tap into that remaining power. What could we achieve? The possibilities are mind-boggling.
Forget those cheesy Bollywood romances about stealing jewels. What if I told you there's a planet out there made entirely of diamonds? No, I haven't been hanging out with Bapi Lahiri. This is real science. Scientists discovered 55 Cancri E, a planet blinged out beyond belief. It's twice the size of Earth and orbits a star 40 light-years away. Tidally locked, one side faces its star, reaching over 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat and pressure likely transform the planet's carbon into a giant diamond. Imagine a jeweler's face if you brought that in for appraisal. But let's shift gears and explore a place that's a little less sparkly.
Think Delhi winters are bad? Get ready for this, because scientists have created a place so cold it makes the Himalayas look like a tropical paradise. We're talking about a lab in MIT where they've achieved temperatures colder than the vacuum of space. How cold are we talking? We're talking a fraction of a degree above absolute zero, the point where all atomic motion stops. At these temperatures, matter starts behaving in strange and wonderful ways. Imagine a world where atoms move so slowly that time itself seems to grind to a halt. But as fascinating as extreme cold can be, let's heat things up a bit and journey to a place that's hotter than, well, you'll see.
You know how people say, "You're the sunshine of my life"? Well, what if I told you we're all living on top of a giant ball of fire? The Earth's core is seriously hot stuff, rivaling the sun's surface. Over 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Why aren't we crispy critters? Thank the Earth's crust. It acts as our planetary shield. Deep down, our planet is a churning inferno. This fiery core powers Earth's magnetic field, protecting us from solar radiation.
Okay, folks, get ready for a fact that's both amazing and, well, a little icky. You consider yourself one person, right? Well, I hate to break it to you, but you're more like a walking, talking apartment complex. Your body is home to trillions of bacteria, and these microscopic tenants outnumber your own cells by a factor of 10 to 1. Now, before you reach for the hand sanitizer, remember this. Most of these bacteria are our friends. They help us digest food, boost our immune systems, and even influence our moods.
Ever walk through a forest and feel a sense of peace and connection? Well, what if I told you that the trees around you were actually communicating with each other? No, this isn't some hippy-dippy nonsense. This is cutting-edge science. Scientists have discovered that trees and plants communicate through a vast underground network of fungi, often called the Wood Wide Web. Through this network, trees can share nutrients, warn each other about dangers like insects or drought, and even support their weaker neighbors. It's like a giant, interconnected community, all working together for the greater good of the forest. So the next time you hug a tree, don't worry, I won't judge. Remember, you're not just embracing a single organism, you're tapping into a vast, ancient network of life.
Ever make a decision and wonder, what if I had done things differently? Well, what if I told you that in a parallel universe you did? The idea of parallel universes, multiple realities coexisting alongside our own, isn't just the stuff of science fiction, it's a legitimate scientific theory. Now, before you start planning your interdimensional vacation, let's get one thing straight. We haven't found concrete proof of parallel universes yet, but the math behind some of our most fundamental physics theories, like string theory and quantum mechanics, suggests that they could exist. Imagine a reality where you chose a different career, married someone else, or maybe even became the prime minister. It's a mind-boggling concept, but the universe is full of surprises.
Time travel. It's the ultimate fantasy, right? Zipping back to witness historical events, correcting past mistakes, or getting a sneak peek at the future. Well, what if I told you that time travel isn't just for H.G. Wells and Bollywood movies, it's actually theoretically possible? According to Einstein's theory of relativity, time is not absolute, it's relative. This means that time can be stretched and squeezed depending on factors like speed and gravity. In theory, if you could travel at speeds approaching the speed of light, time would slow down for you relative to someone standing still.
So there you have it. 10 mind-blowing scientific facts that prove reality is far stranger and far more awesome than fiction. From the stardust in your veins to the humming of our planet, from the immense power of your brain to the possibility of time travel, the universe is an endless source of wonder. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more cosmic insights and mind-expanding knowledge, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never lose your sense of awe. Because the universe is a vast and mysterious place, and we've only just begun to scratch the surface of its secrets.